Hey everyone, today we're checking out JoggAI's new AvatarX model, an AI tool that can turn a single image into a lifelike avatar video in seconds. Whether it's photo to avatar, faceless content creation, or scroll-stopping UGC videos that showcase your product naturally, AvatarX does it all. And the best part? These avatars can show real emotions with stunning accuracy. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you step by step through how to create your own super realistic avatar for content creation. Let's dive in. Before we get started, quick shout out to JoggAI for sponsoring today's video. Alright, so what is JoggAI? It's a platform that anyone can use to create talking avatars and videos from text, audio, or even a single photo. You can make tutorials, ads, explainer videos, social posts, even product demos. No installs, no complicated setup. Just create an account and start creating. And with their new model, AvatarX, those avatars aren't just talking heads anymore. They can actually show emotions and feel alive. So once you click the first link in the description and head over to JoggAI, just sign up and log in. This is the main interface we'll be working with today, and it's super simple to navigate. Now, let's start with Talking Photo using their latest photo-to-video model. Just click here and you'll see the new interface. On the left side, you'll find the option to upload a photo, and on the right side, you'll see the space to add a voiceover script or upload an audio file for your avatar to speak. Now, you'll also see a bunch of sample images we can use. Let's scroll through a few, and I'll go ahead and pick this one for now. Okay, so here's the cool part with AvatarX. You get the option to select emotions for your avatar. As you can see, we've got pretty much everything here. Angry, happy, excited, nervous, and more. There's even a custom emotion option if you want more control, which lets you fine-tune gestures and facial expressions. For now, I'll leave it blank and just go with excited, but later we'll test out the other emotions as well. Next, you can either type your script here or upload an audio file directly from your computer. Since I've got my own script ready, I'll just drop it in. Now, once I click here on the voice selection option, a new window pops up. And here's one of my favorite features. JoggAI has 11 Labs and Minimax already integrated, two of the best voiceover generators out there. I'll go with 11 Labs for this example. You can also use these filters to narrow down your search. After testing a few, I found this voice. Let's take a listen.
If you're building a brand in 2025, this voice is your best friend.
That's sounding great. And just like with 11 Labs, you can also clone your own voice directly inside JoggAI and use it anytime without switching platforms. All right, let's hit confirm and generate our video. This will take a few minutes to process. And now, here's our video. Let's take a look.
Hey, I'm Alina, your new AI avatar created from just a single image. Pretty wild, right? I can smile, sound excited, or even get a little serious depending on the mood you choose. What do you think? Do I feel like I'm talking with real emotions right now?
And here's the same avatar with different emotions. Just take a look.
Hey, I'm Alina, your new AI avatar, created from just a single image. Pretty wild, right? Hey, I'm Alina, your new AI avatar, created from just a single image. Pretty wild, right?
Sometimes I think about the dreams I left behind, the things I swore I'd do, the places I thought I'd go. And it's a little sad to realize some of them may never happen.
All right, our AI avatar is looking and sounding fantastic. What really stood out to me right away are the lifelike facial expressions. And when you choose an emotion, the voiceover automatically matches the tone of that emotion without you having to adjust anything. That level of realism is seriously impressive. I also tested it with this image of a guy that I uploaded from my PC. Now let's see how it turned out.
I can't wait for my next trip. Just imagine exploring new cities, trying new food, and meeting people from all over the world. Traveling really feels like collecting memories you'll never forget.
And just like that, you can create an avatar video to use in your projects. Here's another big feature. With AvatarX, you can turn almost any style of image into an avatar, anime, cartoon, 3D, or even artistic styles. You can even upload a music file along with an avatar image and instantly create a singing video of your character.
Guitar in my hands, but the chords feel wrong. Can't write the first verse if it won't be profound. Every melody I hum gets lost in the throng of voices saying this doesn't sound.
Pretty cool, right? All right, let's check out another feature, the avatar video option. Click on it, and you'll see a bunch of pre-made avatars ready to use in just one click. Some of them have the Avatar X tag, which means they're compatible with the new model. If you click on My Avatar, you can also create and save your own custom avatars. The first option is Photo Avatar. Just upload a single image and it instantly creates an avatar you can reuse anytime with one click. You'll also get access to multiple emotions, which you can unlock whenever you need them. The second option lets you clone yourself into a digital avatar with just a 10-second video clip. This is perfect if you don't want to get on camera or if you're short on time. And finally, there's the Product Avatar option, which we'll use to create UGC videos. You can also find this right on the homepage, so let's click on it. Here's the interface. On the top, we have a model switch option, and here we will upload our product image. There's also a guideline provided on how the image should look for the best results, so make sure your product photo follows that. Avatar 1.0 is based on ChatGPT's image model. So, for this example, I'm going to upload an image of Keto gummies. Next, you can either upload an avatar image from your computer, choose from the pre-made avatars, or even create a brand new one using a prompt. So, I'll go ahead and upload an avatar image from my PC. Once that's done, you'll see the prompt option. Here, you just need to describe how you want your product and avatar to appear, things like the setting, background, or location. And here's a tip. If you want to avoid those yellowish ChatGPT images, add phrases like iPhone selfie quality or UGC aesthetic to get a much more natural look. For the image quality, I'm setting it to high, choosing an aspect ratio of 2:3 and generating 2 images. After hitting generate and waiting a short while, I got these 2 results. And honestly, they look super realistic. The product looks very naturally placed in her hands, which is impressive. Now just hover over the one you like and click Create Avatar. Now here you can also enter a prompt describing what kind of content you want to create or the expression of your character. You can also select the emotion for your avatar. Next, choose a voice for your avatar. This will be their default voice. And finally, make sure to select the Avatar 2.0 Pro model. This gives you the best quality and motion. After that, hit Create Avatar. It'll take a little time to process, but once it's ready, your new avatar option will appear. Click on it, and you'll see the same interface as before, but this time, the avatar is actually holding our product. From here, just type in your script or upload your voiceover, and your AI UGC video will be ready. So I'll go ahead and upload my voiceover here, and hit Generate. And here's the result.
Okay, if you're doing keto, you need to see these. I've been using keto gummies to stay on track. No more crazy cravings, no boring powders. I just take one, and it actually helps me stay in ketosis and keeps...
All right, that is super impressive. I think this did a fantastic job showcasing the product. The facial expressions and emotions felt extremely lifelike. I'm honestly very impressed with how real it looks. So this feature is definitely the best one if you're creating content around a product. Now it's your turn to try out these insanely useful features. Check the link in the description and test out their latest model, AvatarX, built for real emotions and lifelike expressions. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more AI content just like this.